What is going on, guys? We're back at it again for another review. Today we got Flightreacts 1v1 versus Michi Baldhead Terry. Now, I've never heard of Baldhead Terry in my life. The only time I ever heard about Baldhead Terry was when he was facing Cash in a 1v1. Besides that, I don't watch him. I don't hear about him. I don't hear anybody talk about him. So, seeing this is definitely a rare W. But anyways, doesn't matter. Flight's still 1v1ing, and we love to see Flight 1v1s. We like to react to it as much as possible. But yeah, okay. My bad for the phone in the background. Yeah, so Flight, I think he's come back into his June form. He's getting more 1v1s out, more W content out, exploring like new YouTubers and some shit. Like, bro, I love it. I love to see Flight. I think he's gonna, you know what I'm saying, pull off a June 2020 2.0. Because who knows, 2022. But anyways, let's get on to the video. 14 minutes long. Make sure you go check out the Cash reaction to Flightreacts 1v1. Gets that ranked middle school player.
Exclusive IRL 1v1, man. We back at it again. We had to get my man.
Holy hell, bro. Nah, man, you gotta go bald. You gotta go bald, man. I'm sorry, bro. Go DeMar... Bro, not even gonna lie, this man kind of looks a little bit like DeMarcus Cousins. I'm not even gonna lie. Yo, Flight versus DeMarcus Cousins 1v1. That's happening this year for sure. Anyways, bro. Baldhead Terry, you need to damn get that shit shaved, bro. That needs to get shaved.
You guys know what time it's about to be. I don't think he knows. It's about to be June. Even though, you know what I'm saying? It's a little preseason. The boy is ready. Meet you, man. I don't want to make you go out sad, but... I'm ready. What you thinking, plan to 11? Ones and twos, you want rebound regular, like take back? Let's do it, halftime 7.
Alright, here we go. Shoot for ball? Oh, they're playing on double rims. That's going to be Flight's excuse. I'm betting all my life savings that's going to be Flight's excuse. Double rims. Bro, come on. Yo, not even gonna lie, Baldhead Terry did an Alvarado type play there. Hey, Terry? It's all good. How tall is Baldhead Terry? Flight, bro. You're not making freeze. Come on. Flight. Yeah, bro. That was probably his best almost shot make this year. Oh. Okay. Let's be honest. Baldhead Terry, Flight would probably hit that off the side of the backboard, bro. He's somehow, someway, he would do that. Get the rebound, Flight, bro. Not even gonna lie, bro. When I'm 1v1ing Flight, I don't care, bro. I'm running circles around here, bro. This man is addicted to the damn kush, all right? He's addicted to kush. So, bro. Getting, running around circles, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, he has no defense. He has no clamps. He ain't got nothing like that. So, obviously, I'll just run around circles for 15 minutes and get him tired and then just blow by him every play. There, that's how you win, bro. Yeah, out of 1v1 might take 20 minutes long, but, you know what I'm saying? A W is a W, man. It could come in 2 overtimes. It could come in 4 overtimes. It could come, you know what I'm saying, in 4 quarters. But, whatever. This man would be out of breath playing me, bro. He'd be out of breath. Flight, bro. He's gonna pull up here. Flight, bro. Those crab dribbles are not gonna come in. Very handy. Terry, bro. You gotta finish that. Terry, alright.
Let's go. Scoring in the paint. Every shot. I did.
Flight, bro, get a rebound! Finally. Flight's gonna pull up here, isn't he? Bro, the only thing Flight can do against Baldhead Terry is, you know what I'm saying, pull up. That's it. He can't drive in, he can't do nothing. Easy rebounds for Flight. He's gonna pull up in the corner. That's what he does. Holy fuck me, Flight. Why does that look like they're playing in Toronto? Oh, okay, Terry. Oh, Flight, you obviously missed his shot, bro. That's a 2 feet away from the rim. 2 feet away from the rim. Come on. Flight, bro. Bro, you shouldn't be talking, man. Flight, you shouldn't be talking, man. All your buckets are luck, man. Come on. Ja almost Morant. Flight, that's a good shot. Fuck me. Can't make it. Stupid ass. Bro, 6 free for no reason, bro. 6 free for no reason, bro. If I'm, bro, me as a hooper, and I'm looking at Flightreacts, I'm just disappointed, bro. How is a dude 6 free this bad? 6-0 Flight. 6-0, bro. 6-0, bro. Bro, this shit's looking worse than damn Warriors in Game 5, bro. Come on. I mean, I've came back down. I mean, my biggest 1v1 comeback was 9-1, bro. The score was the game was 11, and you have to win by 2. So I won 11-2 that game. Sorry, not 11-2. 11. Alright, my bad for the delay. Here we go. Shit, my bad. Okay, what you got? 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 Oh, that was a beautiful shot. Bro, if you made that, that would have been so nice. Alright, Flight's just gonna pull up for free. Flight driving in. Flight! 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 What the fuck? Flight. Okay, let me pause the video, please. Flight. Come on, man. You're 6 free. You're 6 free, man. You're airballing layups at 6 free, bro. I'm at least hitting rim on that shot. Ain't no way. Oh, Flight, your defense is shit, bro.
Halftime now. Who's the halftime? Yup. You gotta wake up. We good. Good.
Bro.
A lot of people don't realize, like, every person I play, I scout them out. He thinks he's doing something with the drives,
Oh my god. Bro, Flight, how many okay, you shouldn't be talking right now, bro. Flight, you shouldn't be talking right now. You shouldn't be talking right now. You have a combined 0 points, bro. You probably have more hairballs than points right now, let's be honest.
Drive more, I'm gonna say 2 threes, that's it.
Flight, please score a point at least, bro. Come on, don't let him shut you out. This shit's so laggy, bro. We're gonna let him pull up like that. Yo, you should fend that, Flight. 9-0, bro. 9-0. Bro, take another free. Come on.
I've probably seen like one high in a million, just 1 free, bro. Right here.
Okay. Bro, it's 10-0, Flight.
Tired. Come on, check her out.
Bro, just drive in at this point. You don't even have to shoot threes.
No way. You only got 10 right now. No. What I got? 9? 9? Thought I was just scoring 6. You got left, bro. No, come back, right here.
Okay. 10-0. Alright, what you got, Terry? He's gonna pull up here. Never mind. Yeah, that's game. Woo! Damn! Flight just got bitched. Damn! Damn! That's a Westbrook type dunk, you know what I'm saying? On Rudy Gobert, bro. Damn! Flight, you're going out sad. Bro, it's not even funny, man. It's not even funny. You're going out sad. Holy shit. Damn. Okay, so game one already. Hell no. Okay, okay, okay. Bro, flight 12-0, bro.
What's that? You count them out for me. What's that? That's 11 or 15. 15? Yes. You scared?
Bro, flight extended it to 15, man. Just so, bro, flight, you're going out sad, man. You're scoring 0 fucking points. Damn. Next thing you know, it's gonna be like win by 20. It's 12, bro. It's 13-0 now, bro. It's 13-0.
I don't need no water. You don't need no water?
Fly, bro. Stay after Kush, man. You're damn, like... This man is so out of breath. Like, this man's out of breath acting like he damn, like, ran a 50K. Flight, finally, bro. Bro, fuck, Flight. Bro, get these instant replays for other people, too, bro. Like, come on, man. Like, let's be honest. Instant replay on a floater. Last 1v1, you had an instant replay on a free, bro. Come on, man. Flight. This man's gonna act like he's a damn Steph Curry, bro. Or LeBron. Now he's gonna act like that damn PGA player, bro. Oh, I know, Magic. He's overhyped for everything.
Yes, sir! Let's go! Come back, see
Flight. Really? It's just not even funny at this point. Damn! Where is this man going? Flight, where are you going, brother? Where are you going?
What's that? 12? 12. 12 1.
Where are you going, Flight? Damn, he crossed you up badly. Fuck me. Flight's gonna pull up here. You're not making that. Pandemic K. Pandemic K. Damn. Damn, Pandemic K. That's your new nickname, bro. This man's acting like Pandemic P, bro. But obviously his first name's Kamani, bro. You feeling me? Yo, Kamani, bro. Kamani. What's going on, man? Kamani, what is going on? Bro, what is going on, man? Seriously. Where's the instant replay for that, by the way? Bro, side of the backboard on an open free. You could, Flight, not even gonna lie, you could probably go up and shoot a closer shot, bro. You don't need to damn shoot from far away. Like, fuck. Come on. Flight, that is not going in. Now he's gonna pull up. Okay, drive in. Thank you. Obviously, this man with the damn instant replays, bro. This shit about to be 40 minutes long, bro. It's not even funny. Damn. Damn, Flight, bro. Damn instant replays on that. Really?
Speed boost,
Flight, you're not like that. Fuck me. Another one. Damn, Flight. Yo, Flight forgot about the instant replay. What's going on? Flight, you're not like that. Bro, go back on defense. You're giving up a wide open free. Still pulls up? Hell no. Now Flight's gonna pull up here. It's a brick house here. Brick house. Bro, Flight be coming up with all these damn Hooper excuses, man. Come on.
Looks like you spent most of your money on PC to get tattoos. Should have bought a jumper. And some stamina. He makes a couple lucky threes. He's a shooting coach.
Bro, this man's acting like John Morant, bro. Okay, Terry. Good shit.
Now, little boy, bro, I was this close to ripping the whole ball, bro. Little boy.
Flight, bro, you know you're not close to ripping the ball up. Come on, man. We know that for a fact. Okay, what you got, Flight? Corner free. Oh! Oh! That was almost an up and down, though. That was actually not, that was a lucky ass shot right there, bro. Once I looked at it, I thought it was actually a nice move for a second, but I saw that he almost up and down, bro. That is such a late shot. But that shot right there be like one of those like lucky ass, like, you know what I'm saying, like early shot releases. No, like late shot releases shots you get on 2K, bro. That's some lucky ass shit. Off the glass too. What is it? 12-4 now? Ain't no way Bald Head Terry's you know what I mean, blowing this lead. Ain't no way. Ah, you got clamps on. You're done, Flight. You're done. You're done. Oh, I predicted it. Oh shit. Where's the Wi-Fi at? The fuck? Okay, we back. We back in this business. I didn't even know we had Wi-Fi for a second. Okay? Terry, you're not like that. Flight? Oh, not even gonna lie, if there was no double rims, that's in. I'm not even gonna lie with you. Okay, Flight. Flight. Bro, this man Terry's got clamps on you, bro. Oh, these are actually not too bad handles. Oh, fuck no. These are horrible. Flight's too tired, man. He's way too tired. Oh, that was actually close.
It's the double round, man.
Oh, God, that's the excuse.
It's 90.
Okay. What's the score? 13-14 some shit?
Yeah.
Terry, you gotta shoot that, bro. Oh. That, if there's no double rims, that's in, by the way. Woo! Okay, Flight. Lucky ass shit. Bro, don't be wearing no... Bro, yo, Bald Head Terry's actually kind of choking here, bro. Bald Head Terry, bro. Oh, this man is tired from 10 minutes of fucking basketball, bro. Bro, bro, I have better stamina with 5% of my lungs, bro. Come on. Flight, bro, stay off that cush, bro. Seriously. Flight, what are you doing, Flight? Flight, what are you doing? Flight, what are you doing? Flight, what are you doing, bro? What the fuck was that? Okay, this is a game right here. I guarantee you that. Video's coming to an end. Flight, bro, stick to 2K, man, please. Actually, no, he shit on 2K too. Bro, just stick to like football or something, bro, or golf. Come on, basketball's not your sport.
That's game. I think I'm 2-0 now. Big Cash, big Flight. But I respect them though. They ain't ducking no smoke. Everybody else, they ducking smoke, man. Michi definitely. All the YouTubers, TikTokers, all them.
Flight, bro, this man is so tired from 10 minutes of basketball.
Scored 6 points. No.
Hey, at least he scored. At least he scored. I was downing him at the start. I mean, let's be honest, man. If that wasn't extended to 15, he would have like 1 point.
Good game, bro. Respect, bro. Yes, sir. Always. Did better than what I thought I would. Man. Yeah, for sure. Shit, 6 points. You know what I'm saying? I feel like, bro, honestly, you probably the top defender I ever played. Like, I am the best defender you ever played. Talking about trying dribble.
Yeah, but all your shots were open, bro. Except for that one pull-up. That one pull-up was actually nice. That one pull-up was nice. Anyways, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.